My people, them una welcome all. Today, this video I go talk na Pidgin for the voiceover. So today I go show una how to make this natural neutral makeup where you see for your screen. So, and if na the first time this way you come for my channel, welcome. And don't forget for tap that red button for down. Make you join my family. So I go start with my primer. I go put them for my face. And I go just rub them in. Now the professional primer where I use. And then for my eyebrows, I go take this pencil way now the company MAC get them, and now for the color chestnut. So I go take the pencil and I go just use them for draw for corner my eyebrows so that I feel define them again, so that make it come out sweet. After I don't draw them, so I go in with Pro Concealer for the shade Fun or for the color Fun, and I go take my other brush. I go just take spread them for my eyes, and I go just try for make it dey like say na my natural skin. So I go just continue for the fix them for my face. After that, I go take some different brush and I go also use them again for make it just melt for my skin. Make it not dey like say something there on top. Make it just dey like say na my skin. And then I go take this eyeshadow way na Jaclyn Hill we get collaboration with Morph. I go just take them and I go start for put them on top my eye, so that if you give my eyes some different color. For this video I'll be using a brown color. After that, I go take that same concealer and I go just put them for my eye, and I go take some different brush for spread them so that I feel put some different color on top so that it go shine well. I go use my setting spray them quick, and then I go take some gold where it shines small, and I go just put them on top the place where I be put that concealer for day. So for my foundation, I go use na this Maybelline Fit Me Poreless, and I go use the shade 360, and I go just put them for all my face. And then I go take that same concealer again. I go put them for under my eye, put them for on top my nose, put them on top my skull. And then I go use some brush now. I go start the press them for inside, so that if it dey like say na my skin, make it just smooth like my skin. I go take some sponge, so, and then I go use that sponge. I go start knock them for my face, but I go knock them small, and then I go use them so that the product where I use fit enter my skin well. It no go just dey hang. I go take this powder wey na Patrick Star be make am with MAC, and I go put them for my face. I go just put them for the place them way I be put that concealer, so that if he soak all the oil them, it no go, my face no go dey oily plenty. I go take this other powder and I go use them for contour. I go use them for darken my face, so that my face fit get correct angle them for pictures. I go take some other different brush and I go just use them for fix everything for my face, so that it go just come out well. And then I go take that setting spray and I go spray them on top my face. Now so I want to fix my mop, so I go use my pencil eye, and I go take that same one where I use them. I go use them for line my lips with them. As you see, it look fine. And then I go take some lip gloss and I go just put them for day. I go take eyeliner. This one na Ajebo pencil eye, so I go take them and I go just shade my eye, so that if you get some different look, so that my normal eye go come out fine. I go just do one for the two eye them. As you can see, as you see for your screen, my face already changed. See as I come out like a fish. Anyways, I go use my mascara now, so, and I go just brush my eyelashes them. I no go wear artificial lashes for this video, so I go just really brush my eyelashes them plenty time them, so that they feel at least try for come out fine, and they feel come out like say something they. And then I go take some different brush and use that powder where I be using for contour. I go just try put them for my nose small, so that I feel contour my nose, and my nose get there like cases. My nose go there like say some man be pinch am. I go take this other shiny powder and I go put them for my jaw. I be use na Huda Beauty palette for this one. After I don't do all things, so see as I dey fine, I don't go change my clothes, and I dey enjoy the way I dey look for this video. So if you guys dey enjoy the way I dey look, don't forget for share this video them with your friends. Don't forget for leave me something for down that box for day, and I go see you for my next video. Bye bye.